Jkun, the fastest-growing connector company in China, keeps moving forward and innovating constantly. Jkun Company not only looks at business opportunities, but also at a sustainable future. Jkun actively ensures the efficiency of every connection, employing state-of-the-art production technologies. Jkun delivers connectors of robust reliability and high performance. We maintain the precision of every aspect. With every detail, we illustrate the concept of quality first. We connect with the future direction. By continuous exploration and innovation, we have obtained over 200 various patents. We link up with the forefront of technology. We provide customers with the best connection solutions. We ally with the global market. We strive to create a connected world.
我们Jkun为奋斗者打造创业平台，为客户提供性价比最高的产品和最专业的服务。
For Jkun, the employees are the most important asset. We convey care and encouragement. We take on social responsibilities, embodying the virtue of carrying the world with great kindness. As heaven changes through movement, a gentleman makes unremitting efforts to perfect himself. As earth's condition is respective and yielding, a gentleman should hold the outer world with broad mind. Jkun make the connection unrivaled.